Morning students, you all are welcome to today's online class. I hope you all are completed the homeworks. In the previous class I have given 2 homework. That one you have completed, isn't it? Have you checked the answer with the book bag? Yes, isn't it? Okay, shall we start the today's class, students? All of you take your note and book. Let's write the example 6.27. The horizontal distance between the two buildings is 140 meter. The angle of depression, okay, depression only given. Depression of the top of the first building when seen from the top of the second building is 30 degree. So angle of depression is given 30 degree. If the height of the first building is 60 meter, find the height of the second building. Okay. So by the diagram, we can understand the question. Very simple. Question is somewhat big, but answer is very simple. Okay. Listen carefully. So if it is angle of depression given, through eye level we have to draw the horizontal line and the line of sight. Okay. Listen the diagram. So let's draw the two buildings. Let's take it is first building. Here let us take a second building. So height of the first building is given. What is the height of the first building given? 60 meter. Okay, 60 meter. What is the height of the second building? This one we have to find out. And also horizontal distance between two buildings is given 140 meter. So join the horizontal distance 140 meter. So here also it will be equal 140 meter. So what is given? The angle of depression. Angle of depression of the top of the first. Top of first means here. Let us name here AB. AB is the first building. So top is A. So angle of depression of the top of the first building when seen from the top of the second building is 30 degree. Okay. So it can be, so it is angle of depression. Okay. Angle of depression means angle of depression given through eye level. It is the eye level. Through eye level we have to draw the horizontal line. Okay. Horizontal line we have to draw through eye level. For angle of depression, horizontal line, it is the line of sight. The angle between the line of sight and the horizontal line is known as angle of depression. Okay, 30 degree. Angle of depression. Now consider this alternate angles. See this Z shape here. This is the Z shape. Is it? This horizontal line, this line of sight, and this line become Z, no? So angle containing this Z shape inside is the alternate angles. So these two angles are alternate angles. Alternate angles always will be equal. Okay, so this angle we can consider as angle of elevation. Okay, angle of depression is given. So here alternate angles, these two angles are, these two will be equal. Understood, students? Now what is the question now? Find the height of the second building. So let us name the second building is CD. CD. The CD distance we have to find out. So here we can name it M. Okay. DM we have. What is DM now? Here it is AB is 60. So DM also will be 60. Now CM we have to find out. Okay. CM we can take it heights. Okay. So did you understand the diagram? The height of the first building AB is 60 meter. It is given. Okay. We named here AB 60 meter. So this side also this MD will be equal 60. So AB and MD will be equal. That is 60 meter. Okay. Let's write that one. Therefore AB equal to 60 meter. Already written. So AB is equal to MD is equal to 60 meter. Let the height of the Let the height of the second building CD equal to heights. Okay, this total we have taken heights. This total C to D. This total we have taken heights. Okay, heights meter. So distance BD, equal to 140 meter. See here this distance BD, it is given 140 meter. Now AM equal to BD is equal to 140 meter. Okay, so BD is 140, so AM also will be 140. This both the distance will be equal, so both equal can be right. From the diagram, angle XCA equal to 30 degree, which is equal to angle CAM. Listen the diagram. This line we have to give X. Okay, this point XCA, this angle equal to CAM. Both will be equal, alternate angles. So you know angle of depression given. So by this we have this horizontal and line of sight, we have this both angles are alternate angles. Alternate angles always will be equal. So if it is 30, this angle also will be 30. So this one we can consider as angle of elevation. Okay, this both angles are 30 degree. In right triangle AMC, see here AMC, here this opposite side only need to find out. Okay, so what ratio can be used now? Adjacent value is there, this hypotenuse is not necessary, so tan ratio can be used. Okay, so opposite by adjacent. Okay, opposite by adjacent. So tan 30 degree is equal to, theta is given 30 degree, tan 30 is equal to opposite side CM by adjacent is AM. So tan 30 we have 1 by root 3 is equal to CM by AM is given 140. That is CM equal to, cross multiply, CM equal to, or CM into root 3 equal to 1 into 140. That is 140. From here CM can be right 140 divided by root 3. So take the conjugate of root 3, which is equal to 140 by root 3 into, up and down we have to multiply root 3. Okay, which is equal to 140 into root 3 by, here root 3 into root 3 we have 3. Okay, which is equal to 140 into root 3 value is given 1.732 divided by 3. Okay, which is equal to 242.480 by 3. Okay, so as usual division, let's divide it. We get 80.82667. Okay, which can be right, which is equal to 80.8. This 2 after all the numbers are above 5. Okay, greater than 5. So 1 we can add with the before digit. So 2 plus 1, 3. It can be right 80.83. Okay, now CM equal to 80.83. Okay, this CM is 80.83. We have to find the height of the second building. Okay, means CD we have to find out. This MD we have 60. Okay, so CD equal to, CD only we have to find out. So from here we can write CD equal to CM plus MD. Okay, CM plus MD. CM is 80.83, MD is 60. So this both value if we are adding we get the answer. Okay, so CD equal to CM plus MD, which is equal to 80.83 plus 60. Okay, which is equal to 140.83 meter. Therefore, height of the second building is 140.83 meter. Understood, students? Next, let's take the example 6.28. From the top of a tower of 50 meter height, the angle of depression of the top and bottom of a tree are observed to be 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the height of the tree. Okay. So this also only angle of depression is given. So let's draw the diagram first. Let's draw the 50 meter tower. Okay. This side, let's take the tower of 50 meter height. Let's name it AB. 50 meter height. This side, let's take, there is a tree. Let us name the trees C and D. Okay. Join the ground level and this horizontal level also join. What is given now? From the top of a tower. Top, okay, this one, A, point A. The angle of depression of the top and bottom. Okay, tree are observed 30, here 30 degree, here 45 degree. Okay, so top we have to, from the top we have to draw the horizontal line. Angle of depression given means horizontal line we have to draw. Okay, this one name it X. Now line of sight. Okay, through this point A we have to draw the line of sight of this top of this tree as well as bottom of this tree. Okay, let's draw the line of sight. This is top of the tree. Next again line of sight we have to draw bottom of the tree. Understood, students? Okay, now mark the angle of depression here. Top of the tree is given 30 degree and bottom of the tree angle of depression is given 45 degree. Okay, write correctly, 45 degree. This total angle is 45 degree. So similarly, now alternate angles we can consider. This Z shape we have to consider for that. So this angle, it is 30 degree, so this is also 30 degree. As well as one more alternate angle we have. This Z shape we have to consider. This XA, this D. Okay. So this angle and this angle will be equal. This both are alternate angles. Alternate angles are always equal. Okay. So what is the question now? Find the height of the tree. Okay, this CD distance we have to find out. Okay, let us name it CD is Y. So here DB is there, no? DB, let us take it X. AB is the tower. Okay, so let us write what are the values given. Let's write AB be the AB height of the tower, that is AB equal to given 50 meter. CD, let's take height of the tree. Height of the tree. So see the diagram. AB is the tower. Okay, 50 meter given. CD we have taken tree. Okay, that only we have written. Now let us take CD equal to Y. This one only we have to find out. So DB equal to X, comma DBX means CM. This one let us name it M. DB, if it is DBX, CM also will be X. This both the distance will be equal. Okay, so CM also can be right X. Angle XAC equal to angle ACM equal to 30 degree. How it is? Listen the diagram. angle XAC, angle XAC, this angle, okay, and angle ACM, this angle equal to 30 degree, as well as angle XAD, this angle 45 degree, as well as angle ADB equal to 45 degree. From the diagram, this one we have to write, okay. So 30 degree comma angle XAD equal to angle ADB equal to 45 degree. This one from the diagram we have to write, okay. Now in right triangle ABD, tan 45 let us take, okay, tan ratio. Why no? Right triangle ABD, this right triangle we are taking. Here angle is given 45 degree, okay. So we are going to find this side, okay, adjacent side we are going to find out. Opposite side value is there, okay, adjacent need, then only this height we can find out. So first we need this adjacent side, opposite value is there. Here theta mentioned, so opposite side value is there, adjacent we have to find out. So tan ratio can be used, okay, theta is tan 45, okay. So tan theta equal to tan 45 equal to this opposite by this adjacent, okay, that can be right. Tan 45 equal to AB by DB. What is the value of tan 45? Do you remember? 1, okay. 1 is equal to AB value is, what is AB here? 50 meter. 50 divided by DB, okay. Cross multiply here, 1 into DB, that is DB. So DB equal to 50. DB we have considered X, therefore X equal to 50 meter. Okay, now next right triangle let us take. In right, next what is the right triangle we have? In right triangle AMC we have. See the diagram. AMC. This AMC. Okay, this right triangle mentioned here. AMC here. Ratio is angle is given 30 degree. Okay. So here also this adjacent we have no. This one we have to, so CD we need, okay, for that this BM we have to find out. So here tan ratio can be used, okay. What is tan 30 here? AM by CM. CM value we have, okay. So to find this CD we need this AM, okay. So this total value we have. AM if we are having, we can subtract and we can get this CD value, okay. So that first using this right triangle AMC we are going to find the value of AM, okay. So tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Adjacent value we have, this opposite we are going to find out. Understood students? So tan 30 is equal to, tan 30 degree is equal to, opposite side is AM by adjacent is CM. Okay, what is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3 is equal to, what is AM? AM only we are going to find out. Why? CM is X, that is 50. Okay, 50. Now cross multiply it. AM into root 3 equal to, AM into root 3 equal to 50. Okay, now from here AM is equal to 50 by root 3. Let's take the conjugate of the denominator, that is 50 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3, which can be right 50 root 3 by, here root 3 into root 3 is 3, okay, which is equal to 50 into root 3 value is 1.732 by 3, okay, which is equal to, let us multiply, we get 50 into 1.732 multiply, we get 86.6 divided by 3, okay, which is equal to 28.87. Therefore, AM equal to 28.87. AM equal to 28.87. This whole distance is 50. So if you are subtracting this AM value, we get this BM. Here BM and CD will be equal. Okay, if you are getting BM, we can write that value for the CD. Okay, this both value will be equal. So let's subtract and let's write. Okay, AB equal to AM plus MB. Is it? AB equal to AM plus MB or BM. Okay, so let's write that AB equal to BM plus AM. From here BM we need to find it. Okay, bring the BM here. So this AM, BM keep it here. So AM take it here. So AB minus. When we take AM to here, it become minus. Okay, so subtract it. BM is equal to, what is the value of AB? We have 50, it is given, minus AM we did know, 28.87. Subtract it, 21.13 meter. Therefore, we have BM equal to CD. BM equal to CD. Therefore, height of the tree CD equal to, BM is 21.13, BM and CD equal distance, equal height. So CD can be rated 21.13 meter. Understood, students? There is a homework exercise 6.3 first question. Very simple question. Listen carefully. How to do I am explaining. Okay. From the top of a rock of 50√3 meter. Okay. So draw the rock. It is the rock. Height is 50√3 meter. Okay. Let us name the rock is AB. The angle of depression of a car on the ground. Okay, it is the ground level. Just to imagine, there is a car, that is C. The position of C is the car. Okay, car on the ground is observed to be 30 degree. It is mentioned angle of depression. Depression means, I said, from the eye level we have to draw the horizontal line. So here eye level we have to consider the point A. Okay, draw the horizontal line, that you can take it X. Okay, so horizontal line as well as line of sight. What is line of sight? Eye level and object. Okay, line of sight is the line between eye level and the object. Here object is the car. Okay, so join it, we get a right triangle. Okay, right triangle ABC we got it. So now angle of depression given, is it? So it is 30 degree. What is the alternate angle of this? So Z shape we have to consider XAC. This angle is the alternate angle of this angle. So alternate angle will be equal. So this angle will be 30 degree. This one we can consider as angle of elevation. Okay. So did you understand the diagram? So what you have to find now? Find the distance of the car from the rock. Okay. So BC you have to find. Let us take the BC X. Okay. AB be the height of the rock. Okay, and given angle XAC equal to angle ACB equal to 30 degree, write that one. Then in right triangle ABC, what ratio you can use? You have to find out this adjacent side. Is it? X you have to find out. So you can use here opposite value is there. So tan ratio you can use. Okay, so tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Okay, by that you can get the answer. Okay, 50√3 by x you will get 1 by √3 equal to 50√3 by x you will get. Cross multiply it, x equal to 50√3 into √3 you will get. Okay, so √3 into √3 3. So by that 150 meter answer you will get. Okay, complete it. See the next homework, exercise 6.3, question number 2. Okay, the horizontal distance between two buildings is 70 meter. The angle of depression of the top of the first building when seen from the top of the second building is 45 degree. If the height of the second building is 120 meter, find the height of the first building. Very simple. I am explaining how to do. Listen. Okay, diagram I am giving. So here two buildings are mentioned. Okay, let's draw the two buildings. Take the building here, first building, name it, and draw the second building here. Height of the second building is given. Height of the second building is given 120 meter. So, it is the first building, it is the second building. So, this horizontal level let us join, okay. This one ground level. Join both level. What is given now? Horizontal distance between two buildings is 70 meter. So, this distance will be 70 meter. Let us name it here. AB be the distance of both the building. Here let us name C, D. So AD be the first building. Here E give A B C D E. So BE be the second building. What you have right now? Let AD be the first building. BE be the second building. Okay. Distance between both building is equal to 70 meter. Okay. Height of the second building is equal to 120 meter. What is the height of the first building? So AD you have to find out. AD you have to find out. So here angle of depression is given. So point of this top of the second building. So angle of depression means from this one we have to consider as eye level. Through this horizontal line we have to draw. Now top and only one angle of depression given is it top of the second building. So from the top of the second building and top of the first building it is given 45 degree. So what is the alternate angle of this one? This angle. Consider this E-shaped shape. Okay, this angle is the alternate angle. So it will be 45 degree. So here this total distance is 120. We have to find out AD. No? Let us take this AD is X. So this BC also will be X. This total is 120. This BC is X. So this CE will be here CE equal to 120 minus X. Did you understand? This total is 120. This AD we have to find out. That one we consider X. So AD is X means this BC also will be X. This both the distance will be equal. So from here CE will be 120 minus X. Okay. This much only diagram. Then what are the values we drawn? Let's write that one. Okay. How to write? AD be the height of the first building. BE be the height of the second building. This AB, CD values and all. See the diagram and write. Okay. What is AD? AD is X you have taken. What is CE? Every values. See the diagram and write it. After that, to find AD, that is X, that one we have to write, question mark. Okay. In right triangle, what right triangle we have? ECD. Okay. In right triangle, ECD, what ratio you can use here? Opposite, this opposite only you have to find out first of all. Okay. So, what ratio you have to use? Tan ratio. Okay, tan 45 equal to this CE by CD. Okay, this adjacent value is there. Okay, by that X value you will get from here. Okay, so X value if you are getting that X you can give for this AD. Understood students? Completed. Okay, these are the today's question. Remaining we can see in the next class. Okay, completed. Thank you students.